Remove the side panel, releasing its hooks. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. Remove the other side panel, in the same way. Press on the two hooks on the top, and remove the cover of the doctor blade. Remove the fill plug. Remove the developer roller, with the bushings and the gear. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner. Do not breathe the toner dust. Using a cotton swab, clean the edge of the doctor blade, so there is no evidence of toner buildup on it. If any buildup exists, the cartridge will streak. The doctor blade controls the amount of toner on the developer roller. Be careful not to damage the mylar sealing blade. Gently clean the developer roller. It's possible to use a mixture of water and isopropyl alcohol. The developer roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Reinstall the developer roller with bushings and gear. Install the right side plate. Fill the cartridge with toner. This cartridge, with standard capacity, takes 150 grams of toner. Replace the fill plug, and check for leaks. Reinstall the top cover. Install the other side plate. Turn the developer roller by hand several times, to make sure it's correctly installed, and there are no spots on the surface. In case of dirty on the developer roller, clean it with a soft cloth. This cartridge has a chip. It has to be replaced. The new chip will be attached over the old chip with adhesive. And the work is done. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of this video you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.